Hello. Have you ever felt stuck in a cycle of dieting, binge eating, and emotional overeating? Do you feel like your concerns about your shape and weight are taking over your life? If so, you're not alone. This diet binge cycle is a common experience for many people who struggle with their relationship with food and their body, and it's also my experience in the past. It usually starts when you decide to go on a diet. There you go. Because you want to lose weight or improve your health. So you restrict your food intake and your favorite foods. So you decide to eat 3 pieces of grapes and a broccoli for the whole day. So you feel proud of yourself for sticking to your plan and seeing the results. But as time goes by, you start feeling more and more deprived. It's like a pressure cooker. You crave the foods that you've been avoiding, and eventually you give in to temptation, and then you end up here, binge eating. Then you feel guilty and ashamed, and you vow to start another diet the next day. This time you remove the grapes and leave only the broccoli. Can you relate? Talk to me in the comments section, and remember to watch part 2 of this video.